wanted something for Halloween I could put up quickly that still looked spooky and fun. These glowing bats fit the bill. The set comes with 48 3D bats, 12 LED color-changing lights, and everything you need to give the space a spooky glowing vibe. The bats arrive flat, but they've got pre-scored fold lines so you can bend their wings into different angles. There's all different shapes and sizes and styles of bats. You can kind of experiment with what you like the best. The biggest thing is to make sure that you start by folding the wing up towards the bat. They're made from a sturdy PET plastic, so they're not going to rip or tear. And I even figured out that I could fold several at once, and that really sped things up. For the bats that you are not going to put lights on, you just use the included double-side foam stickers. Make sure you put it on the underneath. For the lights, each one comes with 2 different stickers. The small sticker goes on the raised side, the larger one on the other, and then you stick the light underneath the bat with the smaller sticker side. I decided to use the lights only on the bigger bats so they'd hide the bulbs better. Something to point out before you get started, make sure you switch the lights on before you stick them in place. That way when they're all set up, you can just use the remote to turn them on and off together. I set mine up outside in a covered spot. They are not waterproof. I started with the larger bats with lights, then filled in with the medium and smaller ones. The adhesive holds well, and the mix of different sizes gives the whole setup a layered look. As for the lights, they run on CR2032 batteries, which are supposed to last about 30 to 40 hours. The brand says when they're running low, they'll shift to a red glow, so you know it's time to replace them. It comes with an included remote that gives you lots of options, 7 solid colors, different flashing modes, brightness control, and even a timer, so they'll run automatically for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. The bats paired with the color-changing lights instantly transform a wall into a Halloween decor that feels both spooky and fun. So if you're looking for a fast way to create glowing Halloween backdrop or decor, this is a great option.